As the changes of people's style, the demand for delicious peanut butter is increasing. The unique fragrance and taste of peanut butter makes many people longing. And peanut butter is gradually moving to more and more tables. With the industrialization and specialization of food industry, the efficient and safe production lines have become the creators of this delicious and nutritious food. Dear friends, today we'll show you how to produce delicious peanut butter with automated equipment. The peanut butter production line from GELGOOG will be presented. Here is the peanut butter production line workshop. The whole peanut butter production line mainly contains peanut roasting, cooling, peeling, butter grinding, cooling, filling equipment, and so on. The entire production line process layout is scientifically reasonable with stable operations, processing capacity from 100 kilograms per hour to 3,000 kilograms per hour. The production capacity can be customized according to the customer's capacity to meet the individual demands of different customers. First of all, the elevator lifts the shelved red peanuts to the hopper of the roasting machine directly. The peanuts are automatically spread evenly on the conveyor belt through the roasting machine spreading device and transported to the inside of the roasting machine for roasting. The temperature is best set to 150 degrees Celsius. A grain of peanuts slides quietly on the conveyor belt. The roasting machine adopts three-dimensional hot air circulation structure and precise temperature control technologies, which guarantees the color and ripening uniformity of peanuts effectively after roasting, so that the color and fluidity of peanut butter are at their best. The next step, the roasted peanuts will quickly be delivered to the cooling machine to avoid the residual temperature of the material overheating. Overheating of the material will produce discoloration, spoilage, resulting in poor color and a bad taste of peanut butter. Cooling machine reduces the temperature of peanuts quickly to ensure the flavor of the product. After sufficient cooling of peanuts, the peanut skin has been basically separated, and the materials goes orderly into the peeling roller through the evaporation. After extrusion of peanuts, kernel and skin have been fully separated. The absorption of the peanut tester is to achieve the purpose of peeling, while shedding the germ discharged by the sieving machine. The peeled peanuts will go to the key link of peanut butter production, butter grinding. High-speed rotation of the fixation, fast shear of rotors, grinding peanuts, so that the oil molecules precipitated after roasting jumped up, bringing peanut butter out of the grinder. The filling of peanuts requires a suitable temperature. For this reason, the entire production line is equipped with a special butter cooling machine. The ideal temperature required for filling is reached through the reverse flow of cooling water and sauce in different sandwich layers and through heat exchange. Finally, a linear filling machine is to lift the peanut butter from the paste pump and the supporting pipes to the hopper of the filling machine. Through vertical filling, automatic capping, electromagnetic sealing, labeling and coating, etc. The various packages of peanut butter on display in supermarkets are presented in front of us.